It was dark and friendless where I was. I felt like I was in a hole so deep I could go fracking. Didn't feel like depression. It felt more violent. I was tired of living in the frat house I'd built for degenerates. I was tired of the greed. Mine, not theirs. Everybody's. I was sick of being high all the time. I was sick of living in the gray area. I couldn't recognize myself, and what I recognized, I couldn't stand.
Hands in the air! Put your hands in the air.
There's been a mistake.
Are you Molly Blue?
Harder than we know. We hold it in the most when we're wearing thin. Coming like a hurricane. I take it in real slow. The world's spinning like a
Operation, you understand?
wave. Fragile and composed.
I used to be a competitive athlete. I didn't know if you knew that.
What sport?
Skiing. Freestyle.
Are you good?
I don't know.
7 times it came. Seven times the flame, too much to take. The sky burns red against your skin.
Why are you in this alone? Where are your friends? Where did everybody go? You understand nobody gives a shit about your good name.
I do.
Why?
Because.
Why?
Because.
Tell me why.
Because it's all I have left.
Like a
Because it's my name.
I take it in real slow.
And I'll never have another.
Fragile and composed.
Dad, I'm fine.
No, they're gonna suffer.
Dad, I'm all right.
No, they're gonna suffer.
Really?